Hello, hi everybody. Today we will discuss about the one of the interesting area is medical field. So by the 23 or 24 or 25, 2025 coming years, so World Economic Forum predict that the area of medical field will be one of the emerging job opportunities. If you see that the medical field like MBBS, BDS, like B pharmacy, M pharmacy, like various courses of the medical region or medical areas, it is coming years are very demanded. So in the part of that one, the various courses in the medical, today we especially discuss about the D pharmacy, diploma in pharmacy. Now we are not going too much of details, but we will understood that briefly and the course figure out what is the eligibility of diploma in pharmacy, what are the colleges in Telangana they are offering in pharmacy colleges like D pharmacy, and what is the syllabus, what is the opportunities, job opportunities after completion of D pharmacy we will discuss. You can see that today lecture the diploma in pharmacy, simply we will call D pharmacy, eligibility, college and syllabus, and that you will think what are the opportunities also. Okay, job opportunities. So myself Ramesh, and this is the caption I was mostly like line chemistry, think chemistry and practice chemistry, D pharmacy course details. And you can see now we will discuss about this slide by slide, that what are the topics and what are the eligibility criteria, these things. You can see the second one slide. This is like my name, and I was studied in MSc chemistry and MA English and BEd, MPhil and PhD in chemical science. Okay, okay, you can go through that. First one slide is the diploma in pharmacy, D pharmacy. So most of the pharmacy colleges will be approved by the Pharmacy Council of India or either the All India Council of Technical Education, AICTE. So what is the main concept is, what is the eligibility criteria, what is the qualification for the D pharmacy. D pharmacy in diploma in pharmacy, the intermediate 10+2, any science streams peoples or any science stream students are eligible, or who are the completed in BSc, the Bachelor of Science with math, like either maths or the life science streams also, they are eligible to take the course of D pharmacy. The course duration is the 2 years course. And what are the job opportunities after completion of D pharmacy, like diploma pharmacy, hospital pharmacist, pharmacy assistant, clinical pharmacist and retail pharmacist. These are the most of the opportunities you will get in various government field or either the private field also. You can see the first one, what are the most of the colleges are offering in Telangana state. List of the D pharmacy colleges in Telangana. Sri Venkateshwara College of Pharmacy in Hyderabad, Pratishtha College of Pratishtha Institute of Pharmaceutical Science Durajpalli in near it is in Suryapeta district, and third one is the Siddhartha Institute of Pharmacy Gatkeshwar in Hyderabad, Nalanda College of Pharmacy in Cherlapalli, and fifth one Vagdevi College of Pharmacy in Hanmakonda Warangal, and sixth one Balaji Institute of Pharmacy in Narsampet Warangal district, and Vikas Pharmacy College in Nalgonda, and eighth one is the Government Polytechnic College in Hyderabad. These are the most, I mentioned only 8 colleges in Telangana. Some of the colleges also they are offering in diploma in pharmacy. So most of these colleges are famous for the D pharmacy in diploma in pharmacy. Now if you look into that, the D pharmacy diploma in pharmacy, the total 2 years. So in the first year and second year. The first year itself, we need to write the 6 papers. This is the 6 papers, they have the practical and the theory exams also. You can see the 6 papers. In the first one paper is the pharmaceutics, and second paper pharmaceutics, it have the theory exams and the practical exam also. And second paper is the pharmaceutical chemistry, the theory and practical, and third paper is pharmacognosy, theory and practical papers, and biochemistry and clinical pathology, and human anatomy and physiology is the 5th paper, and the last paper 6th paper is the health education and community pharmacy. This is the 6th subject of the first year D pharmacy syllabus, like D pharmacy subjects. Next we will go to that second year. What are the second year papers, like second year syllabus? You can see that second year also you have the 6 papers, 6 subjects. In the pharmaceutics second paper, the theory and practical, and the pharmaceutical chemistry second paper, and the third paper is the third subject is the pharmacology and toxicology, and fourth one is the pharmaceutical jurisprudence, and fifth one is the drugstore and business management, and sixth one is the hospital and clinical pharmacy. These are the syllabus for the first year and second year. First year is the 6 subject and second year also 6 subject. These 6 subject have the theory and practical also. So now you can look into the somewhat deeper. You can see what are the main topics and each one subject. You can see the diploma in pharmacy first year, part 1 in the cell first year. The first paper is the pharmaceutics. In pharmaceutics, I was mentioned here the main topics are the 15. These are the very important in pharmaceutics first paper in the first year. You can see what is the pharmaceutics main topics: introduction of different storage forms and classification and examples. And second topic is the introduction of pharmacopoeia, and the third one is the metrology, and fourth one topic is the packing of pharmaceuticals, and fifth one topic is size reduction, and sixth one topic is size preparation, how much size you will need to prepare that tablets or either capsules, whatever it is. And seventh one topic is mixing and homogenization, and eighth one is clarification and filtration, and ninth one topic is how to extract and how the gelaticals you will need to do. And 10th one topic is heat processing, how to do heat in the industrial process and small scale process and R&D process. And 11th one topic is very important. It is the distillation process, and you need to know what is distillation and what are the types of distillation. And 12th topic is introduction of drying process, what are the drying methods, drying technologies. And 13th one is the sterilization. Nowadays you can see the various types of sterilization. It came in market. You can see the sterilization, radiation sterilization, and the filtration and moisture of heat. And 14th one is the processing of tablet, 15th one processing of capsules. So these are the first paper topics, and you can look into the second one topic is the pharmaceutical chemistry. What are the main topics of pharmaceutical chemistry? The first year second paper, like pharmaceutical chemistry, general discussion about inorganic compounds, and second topic is the acid, base and buffers, and third one is what is the antioxidant and what are the antioxidant applications, and fourth one gastrointestinal agents, what are that agents, and fifth one topical agent, and sixth one is the dental products, and seventh one is the major intra and extracellular electrolytes, and eighth one radioactivity, ninth one quality control and drugs and pharmaceutical, and 10th one is identification test of cations anions in for Indian pharmacopoeia. Next we will see the third one topic, like third one paper is pharmacognosy. You can see the definition and history of some what is pharmacognosy, and how to drug and how where you to get the drugs, what is isolation methods, how to distribute the drugs, and what is identification of test, what is application of therapeutic effects and pharmaceutical application. You can see the some of the secondary metabolites like alkyl terpenoids, glycosides, volatile compounds, tannin and rins, and how to collect the sample preparation of the crude extract and crude drugs in the market, surgical and the cross anatomical studies and identification of drugs in pharmacological character. You can think the fourth one paper is the biochemistry and clinical pathology. So what is biochemistry? What is the role of proteins? What is the types of structures of protein, primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary structures, and what are the polypeptide bonds and amino acids, what are the essential, non-essential amino acids we will discuss in this paper. Role of carbohydrates, role of lipids and vitamins and coenzymes, role of minerals and water in life processing, introduction of pathology and blood and urine, lymphocytes, what is the platelets, erythrocytes and abnormal cell examination, symptoms of these things we will be discussing. Next one, see that fifth one topic, the fifth one paper is human anatomy and physiology. This also you can discuss what is the anatomy, what is physiology, what is the various respiratory system diseases, and what is that various parts of our central nervous system, various parts of urinary system, structure of skeleton, our muscles, composition of blood picture, blood test, and reproductive test, what is hormones and endocrine, that glands. These things we will discuss in human anatomy and physiology. The last paper in first year is the health education and community pharmacy. That concept of what is health, what is the physical health, what is the mental health, and what is that social health, your spiritual health, and what is the food and nutrition, what is the emergency cases, if the snakes will bite, what is the precautions, first aid emergency, environmental and health, water pollution, fundamental of principle of microbiology, and the sexual transmitted diseases, non-communicable, communicable diseases, what is epidemiology. These things will be discussed in the sixth subject, health education and community pharmacy. Now you can come to the second year. The second year also again you have the 6 papers. The first paper is pharmaceutics. Again you have the 5 topics: dispensing pharmacy, dispensing medication, biopsy, liquid dosage forms, and dental cosmetic preparation, and sterile dosage forms. This is the second year first paper. And look into that second year. That second paper is the pharmaceutical chemistry, like pharmaceutics, and like second one is the pharmacy, like third paper is the pharmacology and toxicology, introduction what is pharmacology, and drugs acting and central nervous system, drug acting eyes, and drugs acting in respiratory system, and digestive system, cancer. The second paper it will be in last. Sorry for that sequencing arrange. And you can see the fourth paper, the pharmaceutical jurisprudence, like what is that concept of pharmacy, what is that acts if you do something like medical termination of pregnancy girls, then you can see what is the act and rules, law and education, how to maintain this, what is that sections they will implement. These studies will go in the second year. And next you can see that fifth one, drug storage and business management. So how to store the drugs and how to management skills also is one of the major important in this course. So we will learn in the commerce and as well as the accountancy, like what is the commerce in the self. They will introduce the element what is the economic management, what is the sales promotions, marketing research, and salesmanship, how to maintain that, advertising, window displays. You can come to that the same, the accountancy, the what is that accounting, and a cash book, how to maintain, the general legals, what profile, profit and law, how to loss account. These things you will need to do this. The syllabus will come on to that fifth paper. Next, last paper is the hospital and clinical pharmacy. What is hospital pharmacy? What is clinical pharmacy? These things we will learn in this fifth paper. The what is pharmacy definition, functions of objective pharmaceutical service, location, layout, flow chart of materials and means, and personal and facility, what are the facilities requirement into that hospital, and what are the equipment you need to see, basic needs, introduction to clinical pharmacy, practice and definition and scope also you can need to see. And commonly daily use the terminologies used in the practice of medicines, drug dependence, drug abuse, and additive drugs, and their how to treatment and how to complications. These things you will learn in the hospital and clinical pharmacy. And next we will coming to that second paper, that second year second paper is the pharmaceutical chemistry. This is very important paper, and this is the more give in real life application, like introduction to the nomenclature of organic chemical system, antiseptic, anti-disinfectant, sulfonides, what are the antibiotics, how to use antibiotics, what is the application of antibiotics, and antifungal agents, what are the antifungal agent, anti-steroids, drugs, pharmaceuticals. These things we will be discussing in this chapter. So after completion of your D Pharmacy course, try to register in Telangana State Pharmacy Council, and you can follow these rules, and then you can become as a pharmacist and as a chemist. You can register to that our Telangana Pharmaceutical State Pharmacy Council. You can type in Google like that, and just will general instructions you can follow. That's the pharmacy regulation. You can upload your certificates and your name, nomenclature. They will generate you one things. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. And upcoming videos we will discuss briefly about the like what are the important topics in pharmacy. Like, share and comment. Thanks for especially watching for my